Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of SAP B1 SDK development. So in the previous video, we have learned about how to write the logic for creating tables and fields. So the last video was not complete, so we'll continue our session from the last video. So in the last video, we have left our code in after this field details. So we'll complete today these field details and we will proceed ahead. Okay, so here now what we need to do is uh, first of all the flow. Let's check out the flow, how we are going to bind our fields. So first of all we need to create a table. Okay, so inside table there will be fields, and inside fields there will be field details, so that for the particular fields we have to mm, let SAP know that these fields data type belongs to this kind of data type, and other field details like field sub types and titles, description. Okay, so length, what will be the length, what will be the default values. So we have already seen that in this SAP, where you can also check from this user defined field management. So all that things we will going to create. If you can see here, then these things are we are going to create from backend. Okay. So what we have done now, first of all, to create field, to create field, first of all, we have to check if the field is exist or not, or if the table exists or not, then only we will go to field exist. If field does not exist, then we will continue our process. Okay, let's let try catch. Okay, and now what can we do? We can use SAP's user field interface. Okay, this user field MD will help us to create the fields. Company dot business. There is a object type, so we are providing the reference to this user field object. We are providing the business object reference. Okay, so let's assign this user field. Okay, now you can also do a typecasting here in this way, like CP BODS dot user field empty. Okay, in this way you can typecast. Now what we will do, first of all we will assign a table for this. Table name equals to this is our table name. Okay, and name will be title. Will provide a description. Right, so after this we'll also provide the type, and we'll provide subtype, and will fields dot size, and there is also a mandatory field. Okay, okay, this mandatory is asking for BOS no enum. Okay, so here we have taken this boolean, so let's make this as yes, no, enum, and we'll start edit size also. We'll provide the same as a length. Okay. Now, what we will check now, if there is a default value, if you see here, we have provided this title, description, and this type, length, and this structure. We'll provide this as a soft. Yeah, we have provided this in a soft type. Okay. So validation will look this. For now, let's use this set default value. If there is any default values, then we will set default values. Suppose if there is no default values, then you can write your logic as per your one. Now we'll check if there is not